What's up, guys? I'm a Kangaroo here, and I was working on a theme for my new company slash design business thing going on here for Stereo Breed Media. And I wanted to change the color of my Rainmeter skins, and while I was doing so, I thought I would go ahead and upload a tutorial on how to do that. So first of all, let's just go ahead and duplicate or back up our skins. Alright, so go into our skins folder, which would be in your documents and Rainmeter. And there's your skins. And whatever configs you're going to be editing, you're going to back up by copying them to another place such as the desktop, pasting them in the desktop, and changing the name to something like Boulevard Original or HUD Vision or whatever, and then copying it and pasting it back in here so you have two different copies. So if you ruin one, you still have the original. So after that's done, let's just go ahead and right click one of the configs and go to Skin Menu and Edit Skin. And see people running already, seeing coding. Don't worry, the coding is not that bad, and we're not going to go into too much depth here, just how to change the color, which is really easy. So before I even go on any further, you should see that I am doing like a white, black, red theme-ish thing going on. So we're going to keep to that. And I just want to change my configs to a black, red, and white theme. So there's two different styles of coding that a coder for Rainmeter can have. So the first one I'll show you right now, and the second one I'll show you later in the tutorial. To spot the difference of the two, you just see that there's some words in brackets. It's a simple spot. Just scroll down through all the brackets, and if you see one that says variables, then this is the first type. If you don't see variables, then it's a second type. This is the first type, and I'll go ahead and show you how to code that. So the variables makes it really easy because all of your colors are listed right in this section. The colors don't have to be listed in this section, so if it does have a variables tag here and there's no colors under it, then go ahead and jump to the second one. So the first one, you will either have 3 numbers separated by commas or 4 numbers separated by commas. What this stands for is RGBA, and that is red, green, blue, and alpha. These numbers can stand from a value between 0 and 255. So let's open up Photoshop. We'll go to File, New, and we'll create just a square. That's fine. And make sure that the color mode is RGB. It's very important. Bring up your color picker and move your thing around to a color you want. And we'll just make it something random like this. If you want this color to show up in your Rainmeter, the code for it would simply be 49, 166, and 65. And that's all you would have to put, and you would get that green color. We'll go ahead and hit OK and fill our canvas with this. For the fourth number is applicable. If you leave the fourth number blank and it's simply not there, you will get this color at this transparency. If you put 255 there for the fourth number, this will also show up. The fourth number stands for the alpha channel or the transparency of it. So it's pretty much bringing the opacity down. You can see through it more to the background. Okay? So the higher the alpha channel is, the more opaque it is, like this, and the lower it is, the more you can't see it at all. So with this in mind, let's choose red. And red is 255.00. So let's head on over, and for the graph lines, or the second graph line, I want 255 0, 0. And then I want the alpha channel to be fully opaque so you can't see through it at all. So we'll go ahead and put 255. Now what you want to do is save your notepad document and go over to the skin that you are editing and right click it. Go to skin menu and edit or refresh skin. Yeah. And now you can see that the colors have changed. Even though that my CPU 4, I guess, doesn't want to do work right now. You can see it changed. So yeah, that's good. Let's go ahead and move on to one if there isn't variables. We'll go ahead and exit out of this and go over to RAM. Right click it. Skin menu, edit skin. Make sure you have this one backed up too. And as you can see in all the brackets, there is no variables anywhere. So you actually have to go through all the coding and find the said variable or find the said colors. So if you look at the brackets though, they're all titled. So this one is the meter title of the RAM, which would be this text right here. It says the title of the RAM. There's meter RAM percent, which is this percent right here. And then there's the meter RAM, which if you look, it's the meter type of a bar. So it's the bar. So let's say I want to change the color of the bar to red. Right here's bar color. We'll change this to red at full 100% opacity. File, save, right click, skin menu, and refresh skin. And it is turned to red. So yeah, that's you go through and change all the colors that you want. I will most likely be changing the RAM text title to black, as well as this line down here and everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want this stereo breed theme that I will be releasing soon, stay tuned for that. Just to make you guys happy, I'm probably going to take the stereo breed media logo off. I'm not sure if I want to or not, and release it like that. So yeah, that will also come with a Firefox theme as well. So yep, hope you like this tutorial. More Rainmeter coding in the future, as well as light step, yeah, and general desktop interface lifts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Zombie Kangaroo, peace.